What's up, YouTube? My name is Ty, financial professional. Welcome to my channel. Alright, what up, everyone? What up, Koya? What's up?
Hey, hey, hey! What's up?
Thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you as always. Let's get right into some live rainbow bearing. We got something going on here. I already shorted this, or I put in the order for the short. I didn't get shorted, or I didn't short it yet because there's no shares available. But here, RNAZ, Transcode Therapeutics. Definitely shorted this one a bunch before. But yeah, post market here. They got some good PR from one of their clinical trials, and it is mooning almost 60% here. It's up to, well, it did get up to 680. It's now pulled back to 621, but could be a bull flag forming. But 93 RSI, volume coming down, maybe done. I don't know, but very strong so far, and low-key looks like a bull flag. Anyway, so I'm trying to short that all the way back at 540. I'll take anything 540 and above. So yeah, currently I'd love an entry here. 640. That'd be very nice. But yeah, going to keep an eye on that. Want to short that. Pretty good entry there. Okay, let's do another scan and get back to the intro here. But looks like that's it for now. S-Fix. Oh, Stitch Fix. Well, that had earnings. This is Avro. I guess we'll keep an eye on that one. Alright, so yeah, really only thing worth going for is RNAZ, but no shares. Gonna keep an eye on AVRO and SFIX. Okay, let's get back to the... Did I miss something? No. Alright, let's get back to the intro here. Yeah, it looks like a bull flag forming. Definitely some consolidation going on here. Looking like a bull flag. I mean, I do hope it breaks out again so I can get an even better entry here. But yeah, crazy price action. Doesn't look like it's done just yet. Alright, back to the intro here. Okay, what up, Ken? What up, Mark? What's up?
Hey, hey, hey! What's up?
Thanks for being here, guys. Appreciate you guys as always. If you guys haven't yet, please smash that like button. Please, thank you. Alright, so, first of all, my bad for not being too active today on Discord. I actually wasn't. I made some trades in the morning, but I had jury duty today. I think I told you guys. Thankfully, I did not get picked. I was really hoping I did not get picked. And it was not a. I'll make it quick. So it wasn't like a regular jury where they select you. It was a grand jury, and it was totally random. So they literally just threw our names in the whatever we call it, Tumblr. And thankfully, I was not picked. So that I would have had to do 2 weeks of jury duty, getting paid $40 a day. Yeah, that would have sucked. But all good. No jury duty, so... Or, I finished it. So we're all good. It's not going to affect the show. But, yeah, it wasn't really active today and didn't have too much time to get set up. But, all good, all good. Alright, damn, market keep going up. AI stock? You mean AI specifically, the stock, or, like, AI in general? Yeah, what happened to AI today? I don't even know. Oh, it's up another 8%. Still going, huh? That's pretty crazy. Ape's still strong with that one, I guess. All this bull, poop stocks like AI, Upstart, Palantir, everything going up. What the actual F? Effing Forza doesn't give a break. Can't short anything because effing Forza taking up all my margin. Yeah, let's see here. Yeah, you know, it's holding really, really strong. Oh, I guess they announced the news. I didn't even see this, so I guess that was the Yeah, so I guess they tweeted that big news to come, right, on Friday. And then yesterday announced Forza X1 electrified event to take place July 8th. So it's going to be a electric race. Wonder how that's going to go. Doesn't sound too I don't know. They haven't really developed the technology yet for the cars to be racing like that for that long on electric batteries. All right, whatever. So this turned out to be a buy the rumor, buy the news event. Not buy the rumor, sell the news. Anyway, so I guess that was the big news is yeah, they're gonna hold a fully electric race July 8th. So yeah, I guess okay. So the big news dropped, and I mean I've been saying this for a couple of days now, but it should start to pull back. I should just shut up. I don't want to jinx it. But yeah, that was the news. So it looks like yeah. So it got up to like $4 today. It should be done. It should be done. I don't want to say anything more, but should be done after the price action today finishes pretty break even, a little bit in the green actually, but yeah, I think it's done. Hopefully. Can you look at Upstart? Yes, sure. I got wrecked, bro. The apes kick my ass. I'm a short. I'm desperate. In what, AI? AI news? I don't even know, dude. I don't think so. Nope, just AI momentum. Are you going to cover Ty or Diamond Bullet? No, dude, I'm not going to cover. When do I ever cover, dude? You know me. No, I don't cover. I cover when it's like really, really bad. But no, I set my stop. My stop is at $5, $5.25. So I was prepared to cover at $5.25, but it never got there, and hopefully it doesn't. So yes, I'm gonna cover at $5.25. If not, I'm gonna diamond ball it. Yes. So probably gonna diamond ball it. Yes. I know. Can't swear. But I ain't no B, if you know what I mean. You know? Okay. You gotta be fearless when it comes to this stuff, you know? You can't trade scared. AI, bro? What about AI, dude? I'm looking at AIs. And then OX, what, you want me to look at it? Shorting sucks these days? I don't think so, dude. You're just looking at the wrong places. I'm doing pretty good. I just keep... I had my all-time high last week. I pulled back a little bit this week, but... No, you just gotta go for... I haven't been shorting AI. Like, I did last time, and this time around, I'm done with the AI. But no, dude, you gotta find other stuff to short. Stop going for AI. Stop going for this... the mainstream ape stuff. Go for the smaller cap stuff that I say in Discord in the morning. Anyway, just gotta have hairy balls. Yeah, big hairy balls. Okay, cool. So today is Tuesday, June 6th, 2023. I'm your host, Ty, and this is Smarter Gambling. And today we're doing the show from Tendy-town. Just slightly in the green here. Dow Jones, NASDAQ just barely in the green, but SPY pretty decent in the green. But we do finish all three indexes, major indexes, in the green here. So Tendy-town. Hope you guys made some fat tendies or small tendies. Hope you guys made tendies. I don't know if I made tendies here. Let me see actually. I think I did. Yeah, I made $73 today. Go me. So I'm pretty break even. Okay, Taco Tuesday, yes. What up, Mr. Spicy Monkey? What's up? RNA is up 118%. Yes, and I'm trying to short it. No shares. Wow, it's up 70. It's up 75%. Actually, no, it hit 7. No, it's here now, yeah. So it's up about 80%, not 118, but But yes, I'm trying to short that. I do see that here, and I'm trying to short it. Thankfully, I didn't get filled. Otherwise, I'd be getting pretty wrecked here. Um, but I will take anything 540 and above, and it's currently pumping at 730. So yeah, I would love a fill here. That'd be great. That'd be great. But yeah, that's running, squeezing, and good short candidate in my opinion. Not financial advice. Okay. Cool. All right, so appreciate everyone for being here. Please smash the like button if you haven't yet. All right, so not much planned today. Let's see. So I think we got 3 articles, 2 or 3. All right, so as always, we'll be doing our daily stock and crypto reviews. Live Rainbow Bearing, my place today. Today we only got 3 articles. The biggest one, most important one being, as you see in the title, the SEC suing Coinbase. Coinbase getting wrecked today. And then one about the PGA Tour and LIV Golf. And one about Chris Christie, the fat guy from New Jersey, the ex-governor. Yeah. Okay. And then we will today for the TA. Yeah, as you see in the title, we're gonna do Coinbase. We're also gonna do Microvision and FFIE, Faraday Future, and the stuff you guys want me to look at. Upstart and Upstart and AI and NNOX, I guess. Okay. And then we have 4 YOLOs. Not many today, but I pulled out the best ones. So, yeah, not too much content planned for today, guys. So it shouldn't be that long of a show. But it all depends on the live Rainbow Bearing and how many people come in chat. And so far, it looks like a pretty active show. So, we'll see. But we'll probably go hour and a half, as usual. Probably, I'm going to say closer to an hour, but we'll see. Okay. I think that's it. Let's get started. Yes, okay. And before we begin, please like the video, please subscribe, and catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. All right, let's go. So another scan here. So it's still RNAZ, the only thing worth going for, it looks like. Yeah, nothing else really happening right now. What's the price at? Yeah, I mean, it's at 90% now, 92%. It's at 770. It's still pumping. Holy crap. And by the way, so I diamond balled Vadu. Remember Friday? I was like down 100% on that, so I diamond balled it, and I actually made 20% on that. Made like $600. We'll get to that in a second, but yep. Rainbow Bear, Diamond Balls. Wow, look at that. Hit 8? Not yet, but 795. Holy crap. Look at it go. Yeah, I would really like a fill here. 808s. Okay. Wow. Alright, so let's start off with my plays today. Gotta fix this real quick. Let's see here. More than I thought. They do. Okay, let's see here. 1, 2, 3. So 15 plays today, and I am still holding 11. All right, let's do it. So IMGN down 1.1%, up 50. APLD up 4.4%, down 245. ENVB up 12%, down 440. WLDS down 9.8%, up 905. Pretty fat gain there. IOVA down $10. Acon break even. ACON. VSTM down 4.15%, up 175. FRZA break even. Hoth up 75%, down 395. RCRT Recruit up 85%, down 675. UCAR, I think I made like 350 there. Vadu 600 there. GNLN 600 there. MMV. This one I'm kind of mad about. Should have held for longer, but covered for I think 300 there. SECO, I think 300 there, and SEV also 300 there. It's 420, guys. Make a wish. So yeah, I do finish actually $80 in the green today. So slightly bullish, pretty much break even. Can't complain about that. So hopefully, FRZA comes down. Some of these other bags I'm holding a lot of bags here at the moment. Okay, so yeah, a little bit in the green today, but a lot of plays end up breaking even or not making that much. Okay, I'll clear this up. Okay. The Ape Fathers Man-Child thoughts on MBOT. They plan to have fully robotic surgeries by 2025 and just had a 100% success rate on animals. Sounds like a biotech. I'm not gonna say it's a pump and dump, but generally speaking, biotechs are pump and dump. So I don't know anything about the company, but I would not long term hold that. Let's put it that way. I have no idea on MBOT, but we could take a look at the chart. But I would never recommend anyone invest into a biotech. Okay, not those small cap ones at least. All right, still nothing going on. Let's get right into the watch list. And we'll start on the red side. Okay. They did 3 offerings in a row. That's not a good thing, dude. So we'll look at the chart, but based on the fundamentals you're telling me here, I don't know. There's some red flags coming up. Okay, let's do it. So the Dow Jones up 0.03%. NASDAQ up 0.01%. And SPY up 0.22%. So, slightly bullish day here. Slightly bullish day. So, not too bad. Hope you guys made some tendies, but if you didn't, should have been, shouldn't have lost that much. But, alright, VIX is down 5.23%. Very nice. Down 0.77 points. So, we're at 13.96 VIX now. Under 14. That is very, very good. So, yeah. What recession? All this FUD, recession, debt ceiling, whatever. It's looking, wow. Arna's 850. Holy crap. But this year, you've done pretty well. All the way from 380 to 430 SPY, so. Yeah, I don't know. What recession? Now, I'm not saying that, we're not going to hit a recession or that we're not in a recession, but you know, based on what everyone is saying in the media versus what you actually see on the chart. It's telling two different stories. So that's interesting. Yeah, RNAS is up to 850 now. That's crazy. Okay, but yes, VIX is very low, very stable. Market is liking this actually. All right, let's check it out. Wow, Mullen. What happened to Mullen? Maybe we got to talk about Mullen now. I really don't want to. Did it just go last minute? What happened to Mullen? It was at 9, like down 9%. Then it just finished down 13%. Yep, looks like it. Last minute go. Last minute dump right here. Oh my god, it's back down to 61? Dude. Really, really sad. But can't feel too bad for the apes. Alright, I don't even want to do Mullen. I wasn't planning to, but then it dropped here at the last second. Yeah, but we're not going to do Mullen. Anyway, we'll stick to Coinbase, Microvision, and FFIE. Anyway, yeah, that's down 13%. And Coinbase, which we will analyze, down 12% today. And reason for that, we'll get to the news very quickly. Alright, other than that, then the price action drops off very significantly. T-Mobile is actually down 2.8%, which is pretty bad. Yeah, Starbucks, Pepsi, McDonald's, Nvidia, so some decent value here. Netflix, Dollar General, Chipotle, yeah, Pfizer. So honestly, it's mostly value in the red. Not the most price action, but yeah, it looks like value is really holding the market down. And I'm assuming lots of growth. Let's check it out. All right, so Microvision, which we will analyze, up 30% today. Another 30%. That's crazy. Absolutely insane. MMAT up 17.5%. And big drop off from there. But still mostly growth in memes. IMPP, Fubo, AMD, SoFi, Wish, Tilray. Yeah, so decent amount of price action, mostly growth and memes. Intel's up pretty big, 3.7%. And I guess there's some value further down here. Tesla 1.7, Target 1.6, Google 1. All right, so yeah, it looks like today was mostly growth moving, growth in memes to the upside. Value was pretty neutral. So yeah, slightly bullish day, but mostly on growth in memes. So biggest winners today should have been the apes, especially if you're in, well, not if you're a Mullen ape, but if you're Microvision ape or MMAT, whatever. You know, apes doing pretty good today. Boomers neutral, so can't complain. And Rainbow Bears even should have been making some tendies today. So not a bad day at all for everyone, but especially good for the apes today. Hope you guys made some fat tendies. Talking to the apes here. You know, hope you guys made some fat tendies and hit the sell button. Diamond hands is not the way. Okay, so there is the stock market, guys. Let's get on to crypto and the news. Alright, nothing going on here, so give me a second. Gonna pull up crypto and the news. Alright, loading up. First siren of the day. Why is this taking so long to load today, bro? Well, yeah, Arnaz, looks like Arnaz is hitting some resistance at 850. What up, Angel Kovac? What's up, dude? Been a minute. I'm great. How are you, dude? Glad to have you back.
Hey, hey, hey. What's up, 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 what's up?
Thank you. Appreciate you, as always, dude. And yeah, once again, glad to have you back here. All right. Let's do it. Let's do crypto. Oh, pretty good today. So here's crypto. That's up 4.44%. Do you talk MOAS stocks? Kind of. In a negative way. Yeah, generally speaking, whenever there's a MOAS stock, I recommend to short it, and that generally works. So, yeah, we do, but we generally make fun of MOAS stocks, to be honest. Not, making fun of apes or anything, but, things that MOAS, it's usually too late to go for, and at that time, everyone that jumps in gets wrecked, and the shorts win. To profit heavily on MOAS stocks or penny stocks, you got to get in at the very bottom. And by the time it gets popular on social media, it's already like near the top, So, and then all the apes run in and they get wrecked, and rinse and repeat. You made your wealth by buying AMD at $10. Yeah, see, there's a difference between AMD and like Mullen, okay? So I wouldn't really call AMD a penny stock. That was pretty. It was a growth stock. I wouldn't call it a penny stock. Yeah, but there's a difference between like AMD, Nvidia, and Mullen, and like Bed Bath and Beyond or AMC, whatever. Like AMD's legit. Anyway, so answer your question. Yeah, sometimes, but generally speaking, I don't recommend being an ape. I'm a financial professional, and I try to teach you guys to trade like professionals, not apes. And playing MOAS stocks is an ape move, and generally speaking, long term, it's not a winning play. So, yes, we talk MOAS stocks, but we're usually bearish on MOAS stocks, to answer your question. Okay. Cool. So let's sort this out. Oh, we didn't even look at the... Alright, so let's check it out a little bit here. So Bitcoin up 5.16%, back up to 27K. Very nice. Looks like some resistance there. Binance, 2.6%. So it looks like some recovery here. XRP, 4%. Cardano, 0.85. Doge, big recovery, 6.3. Yeah, today's pretty bullish, actually. Looks like some recovery from the past few days. Okay, let's sort this out. Start on the red side first. Well, Pepe is leading the way, of course. Alright, so not many coins in the red at all. We got a whole 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 coins in the red. So, yeah, very bullish day. Biggest loser is BitTorrent. They're only down 2.4%. So, not much happening on the red side. Very bullish day. So, yeah, green side, 95% of the coins in the green. Not too many coins in the double digits, honestly. Only 5. Pepe leading the way there. And we got Lido, biggest value gainer. But, yeah, pretty decent amount of price action. And most of the stocks in the green. And decent value. So this was a pretty bullish day here in crypto. Nice little recovery. Like I said, from the past few days, from all this bearish news about crypto. So nice. And I can't believe Pepe is still going strong. All right, so yeah, bullish day for crypto. Very, very nice. Wow, Arnaz is up to 970, bro. Good thing I did not short that at $6. Yeah, it's pushing 10. It's pushing 10. That is insane. This is absolutely absurd. I really want to fill. All right, there's crypto, guys. Let's get on to the news. Okay. So, once again today, guys, we have 3 articles. One about, what is this? Making of the Meme King? Oh, no. This is about deep effing value? Looks interesting, but kind of concerning when CNBC is running a show like that. Alright, so, yeah, 3 articles. One about the SEC and Coinbase, one about PGA and LIV Golf, and one about Chris Christie, the ex-New Jersey governor. Alright, let's do it. SEC sues Coinbase over exchange and staking programs. Stock drops 12%. The SEC sued Coinbase on Tuesday, alleging that the company was operating as an unregistered exchange and broker, and that 13 assets listed on its platform were considered crypto asset securities. The regulator asked that the exchange be permanently restrained and enjoined from doing so. The suit comes just one day after the SEC sued Binance and its founder, CZ. Alright, so what exactly are they doing here? So they demand that the company be permanently restrained and enjoined. What does that mean? So they're commingling a number of functions. So the company has for years defied the regulatory securities and evaded the disclosure requirements of U.S. securities law. So 13 assets, including Solana and Cardano, are considered securities. Anyway, yeah, the SEC just waving their, going on their power trip right now. They didn't do anything for 2 years. Everyone's getting scammed left and right, and now they're out here in the bear market, wrecking everyone. So yeah, it looks like the SEC is flexing their muscles right now, going after all the exchanges. And very negative reaction to this, rightfully so, to Coinbase. So, I'm not sure how long this is going to take, but this is going to be an ongoing legal battle for a while. And at the end, probably just my prediction. This is usually how things end up. They'll get a slap on the wrist, Coinbase. They'll come to some settlement, some agreement of how to operate within the law, and then life moves on. Cost of doing business. But yeah, SEC suing Coinbase. Big news today. And we will analyze Coinbase very soon, in a couple minutes. Not even. Alright, next one. PGA Tour agrees to merge with Saudi-backed rival LIV Golf. Alright, the PGA Tour to merge with rival LIV Golf, which is backed by the Saudi Arabia Public Investment Fund, an entity controlled by the Saudi Crown Prince. The proposed merger comes after the PGA Tour and LIV Golf have been embroiled in lawsuits regarding antitrust claims. The deal would end all pending litigation. All right, so this is a big plot twist, because yeah, LIV Golf came on the scene strong, started pulling all these golfers from PGA, and then they had some big beef, and then now they're gonna be the same company. Okay. So yeah, can you say monopoly? Anyway, so yeah, the terms of the deal are going to be pretty complex. It's going to take a long time to hammer out. But yeah, PGA and LIV going to merge into one. So all the golfers are back on the same tour again. All right, and last one. Former New Jersey Governor Chris Christie, a top GOP Trump critic, files for paperwork to launch 2024 presidential campaign. So remember, he already tried last time and didn't get very far. All right, former New Jersey Governor Chris Christie filed paperwork to run for president, injecting a dose of anti-Trump criticism into a Republican primary field that has largely been reluctant to cross its leading candidate. Christie, 60. He's 60? Really? was set to personally announce his campaign Tuesday evening during a town hall event in Manchester, New Hampshire. All right, so yeah, you heard it first. Chris Christie is running for president again. So this goes along with Mike Pence and Nikki Haley and DeSantis and Trump, of course. So a lot of Republicans want to fight for the nomination here. So yes, newest candidate, Chris Christie. Okay. Cool. So that's all our articles for today, guys. Let me pull up our YOLOs here, and while that loads, let's do our TA. Alright. Let's do another scan, but yeah, RNAS is going off. Holding at $9 now. Looks like some critical support there, or resistance, I don't know, but it's holding $9. And still really nothing else going on, so it's, yeah, just RNAS. Alright. So let's do it. So we're going to do Coinbase, Faraday Future, and I already forgot the other one. Oh, Microvision, right. Alright, so Coinbase, so yeah, we just saw the news, got sued by the SEC. That is why, the reason for the big gut today. Okay, so the gap filled here at 50.50, 50.5. There was a gap there, so that finally filled today. And there are multiple gap downs that need to be filled. At like 67, 77, and a new one here today at 55, and also all the way one all the way back here at 34. So I don't think it's done selling off just yet, and this is pretty decent entry, 51.60, 40 RSI, but honestly, it'll probably continue to sell off a little more, and you should be able to get a better price. So if you want to enter here at like 50, 51, you know, above average price, I have no problem with that. If you diamond hands, you hold for the long term, should pay off pretty decently. Personally, I would try to get this back at 33, where the gap up is. Good chance it comes back down there. So yeah, so I can't support going long at 51, and then if it pulls back down to 33, then I would average down. But you know, Coinbase is, it's not a meme stock. It's legit. Just going through some struggles recently. It's a growth stock, not really value stock, but so decent time to buy the dip, but you can probably get a better entry at 33. Anyway, so probably shouldn't short this. A little too late. You can go long now, and it definitely will be profitable in the long term, but best play I think is to wait till 33, and that'd be a really good entry. Okay. Microvision did this last week. This is pretty straightforward. Wow. So I guess that was the squeeze today, huh? That has to be it. That has to be it. That has to be the squeeze. Look at the volume. Yeah, and post-market, it's not really doing anything. Yeah, this is a pretty easy short, not financial advice. But this literally went from $2 to over $7. So 350% gain in a couple of weeks here. That's absurd. Yeah, definitely gamma squeezed. Short squeeze, gamma squeezed. And today was the squeeze because it did 33 million in volume, by far the biggest of the year, and probably ever. So, yeah, I really didn't think it'd go past 6, but here we are, and I'll be real, guys. Yeah, it looks really, really bearish at this point. 90 RSI, bearish. 33 million volume, bearish. And head and shoulders maybe developing bearish. There's not too many indicators, honestly, but yeah, this looks like it's due for some major pullback. So, yeah, certainly wouldn't go long at this point. If you're up, hit the sell button for sure. It's a game of hot potato at this point. Cash in your gains, secure the gains, don't be dumb. And yeah, it looks like a really excellent short. And I will be trying to short this. Full disclosure. So maybe I'm a bit biased because I do want to short this. But no, this is clearly ridiculous and going to pull back. So I'm going to short this one. So don't go long. So sell, don't go long, go short. Can you take a look at AI and NNOX? Yes, sure. One more here. We're going to do Faraday Future. And then we'll do Upstart first. Bro, excellent short on what? Okay, FFIE. Alright, so this one, this is a EV stock. Shorted this one a couple times. Why is this one mooning? No reason. Alright, well, for some reason this one's mooning. EV stock here. One of the more legit ones, I would say. So, RSI at 67, so not quite overbought, overvalued, but pretty much approaching that. Cup and handle at 40 cents. So, 40 may be the top here. Could also be 50. MACD bullish, aftermarket action, neutral. Alright, so yeah, this one, I'm going to say... in the short term, this may run up to 40, maybe 50, but I really don't think it's going to go... don't think it's going to go past 50. Anyway, yeah, I don't think it's a good idea to buy here. It already is at 67 RSI. And I don't think there's too much more upside to go. Maybe 10-15%. So, honestly, I'd probably stay away from this one. If you're up, I'd look to sell soon. Maybe sell at 40. If you want to get greedy, maybe 50. And I'd look to short at probably 40 to 50. Yeah. Not yet, but if it does hit 40 to 50, then should be pretty... well, it will be an excellent entry to short. So yeah, short term, maybe a little... yeah, so may run a little more short term, but should pull back. And maybe not sell off, but this is definitely not Tesla. Not even close. So I'm going to say short term bearish... or excuse me, immediate short term bullish, but short term and longer term bearish, in my opinion. And okay, so now let's do Upstart and AI and NNOX. All right, so Upstart, this looks like it's starting to momentum is cooling off. Looks like it's consolidating around 30. 30 looks like some critical resistance. RSI is at 67, so not quite overbought, overvalued, but approaching that. Gap up at 14, so this should pull back down to 14. Yeah, so bearish RSI, bearish gap up. MACD is bullish. Maybe this will run at 35 in the short term. Anyway, so it looks like it's losing momentum. It's been pumping, but it's losing momentum, and looks like it's due for a reversal pretty soon. So, yeah, I'd probably sell here, and look to short pretty soon at 35 plus. Yeah, so short term may have a little bit more run, but should start to reverse and pull back very soon. Not going to comment on the longer term, but yeah, I look to cash out and short here pretty soon. Okay. And AI. So this one, yeah, still going, huh? 65 RSI, so not quite overbought, overvalued. Approaching that. Aftermarket action slightly bearish. Might be bull flagging. You know, so at some point this is gonna have to pull back. This is ridiculous, but apes are still strong here. So I certainly wouldn't go long. I think you definitely missed your chance. Should have went long at like 20 bucks or lower. You know, missed 100% gain already. So too late to chase, in my opinion. But it may be forming a bull flag. It may break out even more. Who knows? Anyway, I certainly would not go long at this point. And, you know, going short, even going short is a bit dangerous. So I'm going to say if this does break out to like 45 or 50, then you can go short. But for right now, we should just probably observe this and see what it does. Play it safe. Yeah, and observe it and see what it does. If you're in, I'd cash out, play it safe. And if you're not in, I'd observe and watch what it does. And hopefully you can get in at a good entry here. Okay. Too late to short. Yes, too late to short. Okay, and NNOX. Same thing. Well, not too late to short, but. Oh, I mean, it's too late to go long on that. That's what I meant. Not too late to go short. This one, same thing. Too late to go long. 70 RSI. So overbought, overvalued, bearish. Possible head and shoulders forming, bearish. Gap up at 629, bearish. Yeah, so looking really, really bearish here. MACD is also bearish. Might turn bullish soon. Anyway, yeah, this has a lot of downside potential. So overbought, overvalued. Should pull back down to 6 to fill this gap. So yeah, massive downside potential here. Massive, massive downside potential. So not sure why this is holding up so much, but yeah, this is definitely not sustainable. And eventually, don't know how long it's going to take, but this should pull back all the way down to 6. So it's looking very bearish on the technicals right here. Been shorting NNOX for months, bro. Keep going up. So I guess it's another, yeah, MACK, another MAC. Oh, this is the one, yeah, you said last time, J and J. So that makes it a little complicated. So there's probably some manipulation going on here. That's why. Yeah, it doesn't look right. Just how it keeps pumping like this. There's definitely manipulation going on. So yeah, based on the technicals, this does look bearish and should pull back. But when you have hedge funds and, you know, shady stuff going on, who knows? All right, let's do MBOT real quick. Let's see here. I mean, it may pop in the short term, but this will pull back down to 123 at some point. So I'm not saying this will squeeze, but if it does, you better hit the sell button. No diamond hands here. Diamond hands is not the way. Okay, and it's not heavily shorted, but it's pretty shorted. Anyway, I'd stay away from this one right now. It's anyone's best guess. It's consolidating. It can moon. It can tank. So, but eventually this should pull back down to 123, even if it does moon. So, yeah, I wouldn't even touch this one, long or short at the moment. And bought as a long-term play, I would not. Not saying it's not, but I would not recommend that. Do your own research, guys. Okay. So based on the technicals here, yeah, it looks like probably one you should avoid at the moment. If you want to gamble, go ahead, but you know, this is smarter gambling, not gambling. Okay, got something here. SVRE. All right, we're making a play on that. $141. Thoughts on Nano Dimension? That's another ape stock, dude. I don't recommend investing in that. If you want to gamble, sure, but I don't recommend investing in any of these ape stocks. Okay, SVRE. $198. Let's not talk MOAS and MOAS opportunities, because that's just going to make people lose money. Okay, this is not a pump and dump channel. This is a legitimate day trading investing channel. So I'm not Raw or Coco. Sorry. Okay, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Okay, so SVRE order in for 198, currently at 183. Alright, so hopefully that comes back up. We'll be watching that. And RNAS is pulling back, but still pretty high up there. And hopefully I get a fill. Alright, cool. So let's finish up with our YOLOs here. All right, let's do it, guys. What time is it? 4:57. So we only got 4 YOLOs left. This should go pretty quickly. So we should be out of here in like 10 minutes. All right, so pretty good on time. Damn, FRZA went back down to went back up to 3. That sucks. All right, let's do it. So 4 YOLOs. First one by Future Chocolate. 1, 2, 4. The graph of an option trader doing swing plays from 2K to 31.5K in 7 trading days. Alright, well, got it up to 5K on the 25th, and then the 26th was my epic 20K hit on ACCN calls. Mainly ACCN, Schwab, Tesla, and Palantir calls. Alright, what kind of nonsense is this? Alright, so there's all his plays. Let's see the graph. Alright, so this is not typical at all. Plus 1,400% is probably not going to happen to you. Keep dreaming. You can't turn 2K into 32K in a week. That is not typical at all. And if you do manage to do that, you got lucky. Or you're insider trading. So yeah, typical Robinhood ape stuff here. Not sustainable. So yeah, enjoy your attendees, dude, but you should probably not do this in the future. Unless you want to lose all your money back. Seeing this over and over again. Apes get overconfident, think they're so smart, and gamble it all away. So, very happy for you, dude. Glad you hit a 4-leg parlay here. But, yeah, epic gain corn, but not typical, and giving false hope to the apes. But epic gain corn. So yeah, dude, enjoy attendees. Careful from now on. Make smart decisions. All right, next one by Avid Hiker 98. Baba calls plus 14,000. So if you've been following my previous post, I traded $4,000 into 75,000 in 3 weeks. This morning I traded Baba calls. Okay. So this was purchased today, expires next week. So this was a 30K YOLO, and he's already up 44%, 14K. $88 call. All right, that's pretty good. It's not quite in the money, but almost there. So yeah, I just hit the sell button, dude. You got a week to go, week and a half to go. But you're already up half, almost 50%. Got to be happy with this. Hit the sell button, dude. Don't be dumb. Don't be an ape. That's what I would do at least. So yeah, not really an investment, just a gamble. Got lucky, and which is fine, but you got to know when to hit the sell button. And I think now is the time to hit the sell button, or not. Damn, bro, this guy turned 2K into 44K in 3 months. Absurd. So yeah, not the greatest play. I mean, decent strike, but not the greatest expiration, and well timed, but more luck than anything. And yeah, like I said, dude, hit the sell button, or this can go really bad, or really good if you want to gamble it, but you should probably hit the sell button. So enjoy your attendees, dude. Not typical, and hit the sell button. Great content. All right, next one. Now we're getting into the Lost Corn by Delete Bosby. I miss 2020/2021. All right, so this guy, I guess this is his past 3 years. So his account was at 5 mil at one point. How? Was that from GameStop, dude? Yeah, I don't know how he made 5 mil, but it was up to 5.3 mil. Then proceeded to lose everything, literally everything. And then he ran it back up somehow. Anyway, so I guess in 3 years he turned 5.3 million into 360,000. So he's down like $5 million.
And it's gone.
Yeah. That's what happens when you play options. That's what happens when you get lucky and overconfident and you play options. So that sucks. Yeah, you should have walked away when you were up 5 mil. And plus, if you had $5 million, all you had to do was buy SPY, and you could literally make 500K a year. But no, you gotta gamble. I don't understand. Apes, apes. Well, I kind of do understand. Apes are just being apes. Never satisfied, want to get greedy, and proceeds to lose everything. Not surprised, but epic lost corn here. So yeah, delete Bosby. Sucks, but totally your fault. Don't feel that bad. And you're still pretty rich, dude. I mean, you're not wealthy anymore, but you're still pretty rich. So expensive tuition. Hope you learn your lesson. And yeah, probably you should chill out, before you lose the rest of your money. But yeah, you should probably just chill out, and with 360K, even that, investing that, you'll be set for life. But yeah, anyway, epic lost corn. Appreciate that. This is true Wall Street bet stuff right here, not this BS gain corn. Yeah. Appreciate you, dude. Great post here. All right, last one by Pineapple Naps. I feel absolutely sick in the stomach. So another Robinhooder. So for the past 3 months, well, from February to May, 2023 is down 28K. Definitely due to options. Definitely due to options. Gotta love Robinhood, right? It's so late in the night. It's time to face the facts. My dumbass couldn't do it. I bought so many PACW options. Oh my god. I bought so many PACW option calls thinking I could hit gold. FRC went bankrupt and PACW fell. Sucks for so long. I traded like a normal degenerate. It's just 2 options trades to lose my life savings. Let this be a lesson to you. Investing is not fun. It's serious. 2 trades and I lost everything. F me up. If you need me for any stock tips, let me. So yeah, this is not investing. This is gambling. Very bad risk management. Yeah, typical ape. Go all in and get wrecked. Yes, you did not invest. You gambled. Exactly. So, yeah, that kind of sucks, but at least you acknowledge it's no one's fault except your own. And in the grand scheme of things, this ain't too bad. 28K, you'll make that back. But yeah, that sucks. Expensive tuition. And you have tax write-offs for the next 9-10 years. So that's plus. Anyway, so yes, Epic lost corn here. And the guy knows he effed up. So, it's funny, good content, but we can actually learn something from this. Okay. Cool. So, that is pretty much the show for today, guys. Alright, so last scan, we still got RNAS running. Still trying to short that, and SVRE still going. Still trying to short that one as well. Might actually get filled there. 198. I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, not much going on post market. Oop, I'm not showing this. Just RNAS, RNAZ, and SVRE. And if anything else comes up, I'll put it in Discord. Okay, let's get out of here, guys. So yeah, that's the show for today, guys. Appreciate everyone. It is 5:06, so we went about an hour, 10 minutes today. Yeah, appreciate everyone. Great show. So thank you to all the regulars, and looks like the bots are back. Missed the bots. And yeah, pretty uneventful day, but slightly bullish. So hope you guys made some tendies, and we're back at it here tomorrow. So yeah, like I said, if anything else happens, I'll put it in Discord. Otherwise, see you guys tomorrow on Discord, tomorrow morning, and tomorrow afternoon here on the show. All right, let's get out of here. All right. Thanks everyone for watching today. I appreciate you guys. Please like the video, please subscribe, and catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. I'm Ty. This is Smarter Gambling. See you guys tomorrow. Peace out.